My dear students, we have been talking chapter 12, the northeastern states, from the last session. So in last session we have seen there are 8 states in northeast of India. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Sikkim. All these states together call 8 sisters. So let us talk about briefly about 3 states, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Sikkim is a very small mountainous state in the northeast of India. Its capital is Gangtok. Its population is a little over 6 lakh and it has 4 districts. Gangtok is the main city of Sikkim. It also attracts tourists from different parts of the world. In Gangtok, there are more than 1 lakh people live. Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. It has 20 districts. Its population is around 1.3 million. Itanagar is the main city of Arunachal Pradesh. Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. It has 33 districts. Its population is around 31 million. Guwahati is the biggest city and the commercial hub of Assam. Assam is also known as the Light of the East. The Kaziranga National Park is 215 kilometers from Guwahati. So today we shall talk about Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Meghalaya. The word Meghalaya means the abode of clouds. This state receives plenty of rainfall. Its capital is Shillong. The state spreads over an area of around 22,500 square kilometers. It has 11 districts. Its population is around 3.2 million. It shares its borders with the state of Assam and the other country. The languages spoken here are English, Khasi, Garo, etc. Meghalaya is known for jute, sugarcane, orange, orchids and pitcher plants. Rivers like Dari, the Digaru and Maitruru, etc. flow in Meghalaya. Some cities of the state are Cherrapunji, Tura, Mawsynram, etc. Shillong. It is a beautiful hill station. It is called the Scotland of the East. Shillong is also known as it is also called Scotland of East. It has many pretty churches. It also boasts of many well-reputed educational institutions. People love music, dance, and have a festive spirit music. Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. The state spreads over an area of around 22,000 square kilometers. It has 16 districts. Its population is around 2.7 million. It shares its border with the states of Assam, Mizoram, and Nagaland. The main language spoken here is Manipuri. Rice, wheat, pineapple, and tobacco are grown in Manipur. Bamboo trees are also found in abundance. The Manipur River flows here. Some cities of the state are Thoubal, Ukhrul, etc. Imphal. Imphal is known for the Kangla Fort. The fort has a number of temples. Imphal also has a war cemetery. Mizoram is another northeast state of India. Mizoram The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. The state spreads over an area of around 21,000 square kilometers. It has 8 districts. Its population is around 1.1 million. It shares its borders with the states of Tripura, Assam and Manipur. The languages spoken here are English and Mizo. Cultivation of Mizoram. Sweet potato, rice, etc. are grown here. Rivers like the Barak, the Ser Lui, etc. flow here. Farmers practice shifting cultivation. Some cities of the state are Langlei, Kolasib, Champai, etc. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. It is the largest city of the state with a population of around 3 lakh. It has many beautiful places. It has Mizoram State Museum, Solomon's Temple, Lalat Park, etc. Nagaland. Nagaland is a mountainous state. Its capital is Kohima. The state spreads over an area of around 16,500 square kilometers. It has 11 districts. Its population is around 2.3 million. It shares its borders with the states of Manipur, Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. The languages spoken here are Ao, Sema, Lotha, etc. The state is known for growing rice, maize, orange, etc. Rivers like the Tiju, the Dhansri, the Diku, etc. flow in the state. Some cities of the state are Dimapur, Mokakachung, Okha, etc. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is a hilly city. It is the second largest city of the state. It has Nagaland State Museum, Kohima War Cemetery, Kisama Heritage Village, etc. Now let's talk about Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. The state spreads over an area of around 10,500 square kilometers. It has 8 districts. Its population is around 3.7 million. It shares its borders with the states of Mizoram and Assam. The main language spoken here is Bengali. Rice, jute, and sugarcane are grown here. A lot of bamboo is found here. Rivers like the Gumti, the Longai, the Kowai, etc. flow here. Some cities of the state are Kailasanghar, Dharmanagar, etc. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. It is the second largest city in northeast of India. It has Ujjayanta Palace, Tripura State Museum, etc. So these 8 states are located in northeast of India.